All right, boys and girls, hello and welcome to your fourth grade chapter 2, lesson 2.1, lesson 1 in chapter 2. Okay, our objective today is I can model multiplication comparisons. Our vocabulary is comparison. So what does that mean? Well, that means compare amounts. So that basically means I can model multiplication by comparing their amounts. So a model is drawing a picture. I'm going to add that to our vocabulary over here. Model, and that's going to be a picture of some sort. And today's model is going to look like a bar graph where it has squares and it's comparing to another amount, kind of like so. All right, so our question is, Maximus has 9 pennies. Tien has 4 times as many pennies as Maximus. How many pennies does how many pennies does Tien have? Okay, so first I underline the question because I need to remember what I'm looking for. How many pennies does Tien have? That's very, very important. And then I need to read this actually 3 times. Maximus has 9 pennies. Tien has 4 times as many pennies as Maximus. So our numbers that we're working with are 9 and 4. And we're looking for how many pennies does Tien have. Okay, so the two boys' names are Maximus and Tien. And remember, I'm trying to figure out how much Tien has. But it says right here that Tien has 4 times as many. So when you see 4 times as many pennies, that means Tien has 4 boxes because he has 4 times as many as Maximus. And that means Maximus only has 1 box. Okay, now we need to figure out what's going to go in these boxes. Well, how many pennies does Maximus have? Maximus has 9 pennies, so that means I'm going to put a 9 in this box. And if I put a 9 in this box, that means I put a 9 in all these boxes. Now, next, after we draw our model, it says to write in an equation. So we know an equation has to have a symbol, and we are multiplying because our directions up here say multiplication. So we know we're multiplying. So we're multiplying a number times a number to get a product. Remember, product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So first, what number is in the box? Well, we have 9 in the box, so I'm going to do 9. And how many boxes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 boxes. So 9 times 4. I don't remember how to do that. So I need to do a brain dump. A brain dump will help you when you're multiplying. So 9 times 1 equals 9. That's right. 9 times 2 equals? Yes, 18. Very good. 9 times 3 equals? Yes, 27. And 9 times 4 equals? Yes, 36. So we know that 9 times 4 is 36. So how many pennies does Tien have? Tien has 36 pennies. All right, class. That is how you can write a model to find multiplication comparisons. Have a good day, Tigers.